Hi, Indrani back here with the Abacus learning program, lesson 2. Whoever has gone through my previous lesson must be knowing that we have dealt with the units rod. Units rod is from 1 to 9. We have dealt with the units rod. The primary reason is this is the smallest number and this is the basic to start with. So any kid, whether in the junior or in the senior level, we have to start up with the unit rod. Now it's the second part of the lesson, so we move a bit ahead of it. We move up to the tens rod. Let's see how we deal with that. To get a better view, I'm just putting it down a bit over to the table. Right, it's here down there. Now, the view is pretty clear. This has been the units rod. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So altogether, let us come up to 9. Now what do? We zoom it. It's 0, the abacus, the pointer. So what do? Move farther ahead. Move up to the tens rod. Now which is the tens rod? Obviously, whenever we are dealing with the tens rod, we move towards the left of the units rod. This is 10 here, 20, 30, 40. Now the most unique part of this program is we use the left hand for moving up the beats of the tens rod. Now, what are the reasons? The reasons for using the left hand. Let me make it a bit clear. Well, the reasons, there are primarily 2 reasons. One, the most important reason is it gives a very, very fast movement, because once we are used to using 2 hands, we get a much faster movement than we can actually do it by using only 1 hand. And then another one, a very, very important reason is coordination, the coordination of brain. So when we are actually using the right and the left hand together simultaneously, we are actually coordinating the brain in a very proper way, the right and the left part of the brain. Well, so let's check it out, how we go ahead and do it. Ten, 20, 30, 40, and it goes in the same way down. Less 10, less 20, less 30, less 40. We use these 2 fingers, the first and the middle finger, and we call these 2 fingers the butterfly fingers. And this is 50. The same way it's 60, 70, 80, 90. Now, the unique part of it is, suppose somebody asks me to put up 89. It's very unique, 89. I used it separately, but it can be done together as well. 89. It's a very unique and a fast movement. Now let's 89. I'm just zooming it. 23. It can be done very, very fast. It's a real fast movement. Well, now, in the initial levels, the kids, they find it a bit difficult to use both hands together simultaneously. But if we actually make them practice, and if we do it as well, it gives a real fast movement, with both hands. And you will find that it's a very gradual process. But if you get used to it from the very beginning level, you can do it very well. There is no problem as such. Well, now the question comes up. We have used till 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, the unique part of it is we can do till 9 here. But what about the numbers like with 4? If I add 1, how do I get that? Because here the number is 5, and with 4 if you add 9 is 5. So, isn't it funny that we are unable to add numbers with now with 4 like 2 or 3? That's pretty Amazing, right? That we have used the left hand, we have gone to higher numbers, but we are unable to add more numbers, some of the numbers with this particular number 4 or the particular number 3. That's again the magic of it. Well, we do have the process for that. Towards that, well, it can't be done in a single lesson before we get used to the left hand, I mean the tense rod. So let's get used to tense rod and the simultaneous movement first, and then we will gradually move up to the lessons farther ahead. Okay, so till then, bye, see you later.